Hello again, you're with Smart Money and this is the segment of the show where we concentrate on helping people retire rich. Now Suvarna Naik, she's 39 years old and she says by the age of 48, not 46, not 50, but by the age of 48, by the time her son becomes 15, she wants to be able to retire rich, and in the process she also wants to have a dream home either in London or Singapore. Let's meet her.
When Suvarna was completing her masters from a business school, one of her professors told her that her true calling was marketing and sales.
To me, what interests me most is meeting people, which is why I think sales click very well. You know, it happened by default by the advice of a professor who one believed in.
15 years down the line, she couldn't have proved him any better.
As an individual, even when I was a college-going girl, one thing I was very clear that I had to have my own standing. Also because it was very strongly drilled into my head by my mother. So I started my career in 1996 as a management trainee in the media segment, which is started with India Today.
Heading the marketing division for Tommy Hilfiger India, Suvarna is happily married with a 6-year-old boy.
Child, now family is complete. With that completion, one wants to now map the rest of the milestones. So milestones till now in terms of putting your money in the right place, making your money grow, making yourself grow, get noted. See that whatever you had planned for your child is getting done.
Always clear of the milestones she wants to achieve on both personal and professional front, Suvarna is decently well placed when it comes to her financial health. So far, she has been able to fulfill most of her dreams. And how?
I'm made to believe, at least by my peer group, that I'm doing reasonably well professionally. So personally, I feel I am mapping my milestone well and in time.
Going forward, planning for Lakshman's education and buying herself a dream home in Singapore or London are her retirement goals. Can she retire rich? Let's find out.
So that's Suvarna's family, and Suvarna is right here with us. Suvarna, you want to retire rich, and of course Sumit Ved is our certified financial planner. He's helping us sort out the portfolio so that Suvarna can retire rich. A very warm welcome to you on the show. Suvarna, first tell us, you want to retire rich by the age of 48.
That's right.
What are the goals that you want to achieve by then?
By which time I need to figure out my dream home, I need to figure out my child's basic education, and I need to figure out my dream of going bungee jumping in Australia.
Let's just understand what she brings to the table first. Her income, her individual income, and this is not the family income, is 30 lakh rupees per annum right now. Her expenses amount to 9 lakh rupees every year. She's paying EMIs on various properties, I understand, that you have to the tune of 40,000 rupees. She's also got several investments. Her savings amount to 4 to 5 lakh rupees. In equity, she's got exposure of 40 to 50 lakh rupees. Her insurance cover is of 1 crore rupees. In PPF, she's set aside 5 lakh rupees. And then she's got lots of real estate worth 4 crore rupees right now in Hyderabad, in Bhubaneswar, in Ghaziabad, and the home that she lives in Mumbai. And then there is exposure to gold. 5 to 6 lakh rupees is what she's got in gold. This is physical gold we're talking about.
That's right.
Right. So with that kind of portfolio, Sumit, what do you make of it by the age of 48?
Yeah.
How close is she to be able to live all her dreams and be footloose and fancy free?
This is a very happy plan which you get to make, and rarely in these days you get to make a happy plan. And a definition of happy plan is a direction of a plan or a direction of family which is very well planned, and they are right towards meeting their plan itself. In fact, what we should be discussing with Suvarna is, can she prepone things, you know? Why
wait till age 48?
Why wait? Why not go bungee jumping at 45, or it might be earlier itself? So it's a situation of plenty, you know. Having said that, if you really look at her plans of retirement, I think they're perfectly in place. She's got at least 2 direct choices to plan a retirement. One choice is a traditional choice of retirement planning in terms of looking at a surplus of income minus expense. She starts saving regularly and achieve that particular goal. And if we go by traditional choice, what she needs to really save on a monthly basis is something like 57,000, which is split in a 80% on the equity side, 20% on the debt side, in a systematic investment plan in some of the mutual funds on a regular basis. That'll help her retire by the age of 48. Now
that's right. But now, at this point in time, how much are you saving?
Anything between 65,000 to about 1 lakh a month.
Yeah.
And 57 is what she needs.
That's right.
Yeah.
She needs 57.
So she's on safe ground.
She's very much. And if you go and look at a non-traditional option, which is emerging in a big way in India, is reverse mortgage. If you look at property, she's currently sitting on 4 or 5 properties.
That's right.
Another way of getting into retirement is at the age of 48, she gets into reverse mortgage. Now, in reverse mortgage, you go to a bank and say, please buy my house and pay back to me on a monthly basis.
Right.
Now, you don't need to really go and invest for that. Your current investment itself start paying you back for the retirement, and your husband being in the banking sector will be one of the most ideal person to help you design this kind of instrument.
Sure.
In fact, I like to highlight 2 points here. If you really look at their current amounts of investments, there is a substantial lot of money lying in savings bank account. But instead of letting this money lie in a savings account, move into a liquid fund or a short-term fund or a mutual fund, which will give you a high return. So that's one point which we need to really highlight on.
In fact, I'm pretty open to now absorbing that risk bit, because currently we're in a situation where we would love to figure what is this risk that we can take with our surpluses, and this show obviously was another motivation for me to figure that solution.
I think it needs to start with articulating dreams and goals. In fact, if I can give you a goal or a dream, you talk about bungee jumping.
Yes.
What about starting a venture of bungee jumping in India?
Wow, that sounds like a plan, because it's pretty close to my heart.
Good luck going ahead from here. We're sure that you'll be able to achieve these dreams, because this is inspiration for people like us as well. This portfolio, a very happy plan, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, happy family with a happy plan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks very much, Sumit. Thanks for joining us with these ideas on Suvarna's portfolio. And if you're wondering how to retire rich, don't forget our email ID at smartmoney@bloombergutv.com. We're taking a small break on this episode. On the flip side, we'll bring you up to speed with all the news of the week in the personal finance space and devise a game plan for you. Stay with us.